Today, we're going to show you how to pair your eTrex Touch handheld with the Garmin Explore app. We will be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is the same on Android smartphones. Pairing your eTrex Touch with the Garmin Explore app will allow your data to sync between your device, the Explore app, and the Explore website. Start by turning on your eTrex Touch handheld. Then select your language. Next, you can change your default activity. Then select Continue. Now, scan the QR code with your compatible smartphone to begin the pairing process. For existing customers, scanning this code will direct you to the device search screen. For new customers, scanning this code will direct you to download the Garmin Explore app on your compatible smartphone from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app once it is installed. A short tutorial will display. Select Get Started. Next, select Sign In or Create Account. In this video, we will be creating a new account. Then, agree to the End User License Agreement. Select Next at the bottom. Once signed in, select Enable Cloud Storage if you would like your data to sync to your online account. Selecting Not Now will not back up your data to your account. Review the Features preview. Then select Done. When the Garmin Explore app recognizes the device, select Connect it. Your eTrex Touch handheld will display a 6-digit code. Confirm the code matches in the Garmin Explore app. Then select Pair. Finally, select Done. On your handheld, you can create a passcode. Select Not Now to skip this process. Then, review the home screen tips. Select Done. Your eTrex Touch handheld is now paired to the Garmin Explore app and can use all the features available. And that's it. Thanks for watching.